Look, kami na naman. Sorry, malatak ko.
Meron na naman siyang... Meron na naman siyang... Meron naman siyang spill. Ano
actually, honeymoon namin.
Ang dami ko na naman ibibili. Sorry. Oh, what is this part?
Hello guys, so papunta na kami sa boarding gate namin. With Nita and Bianca.
Okay, we're now here. Are you? Hey guys. Oh my God! Nice naman. So, ako na naman po yung walang payong.
Hello.
We're here at the airplane, so we're going to Boracay for just until Friday. And sana maaga kami makarating kasi we're trying to catch the sunrise. Sunset. Sunrise. Sunset. We're trying to catch the sunset later. And yeah, we'll just give you the full experience here in the vlog. Hopefully makapag-vlog ako. Hopefully.
So, on the way na kami para magbayad sa tricycle going to Jet Airport.
Yes.
And so, what are you feeling right now?
Medyo nagulat kasi umaambon pagkababa namin.
Pero, saglit lang naman.
And mahangin, guys. Mahangin. Pwede ang tatlo sa isang tricycle. Okay. 125 tatlo. 225 tatlo, 150 dalawa.
So, we got the ticket na.
Sige na kaya. This is the ticket for the tricycle. Pila din yung mga tricycle. Go! Okay, so we just had our registration doon. Verification. So they're just, tatanungin lang nila kung ilan kayo, taga saan, anong hotel, i-filapan kayo, and then dito tayo magbabayad ng environmental fee and the boat ticket.
Excited?
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
Yeah, what can you say?
Ready for the adventure.
Yeah.
Guys, pinaghandaan namin, nag-Brazilian walks kami.
Yeah. At kasama na ako doon actually. Sabay-sabay kami nag-Brazilian walks.
Yes. Kasi pa.
What can you say about the process? Anong ginawa mo?
Mabilis lang.
After paying the environmental terminal and the boat fee.
Verification lang sa mga
Okay. So, where are we heading? Ganap na ganap. Okay.
This is our boat. This is the name of the boat and then ito yung seat number.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, damn.
Perfect. Wow! Ay, ang hirap pala. And then, nandiyan ka na ito. Kuya. 23, 24.
Where's that?
Tapos 24.
Okay.
Nakakahilo tong bangka. Oh my God. I don't wanna
Is this
move.
your first time?
I don't wanna move. I don't wanna move. Nahihilo ako. Wala pa naman akong tulog, guys. Like, wala akong tulog. Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Nahilo si Bianca, ako muna yung mag-vlog today. So, nakarating na kami ngayon sa boat and super nahilo si Bianca, unfortunately. Kasi it's her first time riding a boat. And grabe yung motion sickness niya. Pero now we're heading to the tricycle area. And we're gonna ride a tricycle going to the hotel. Ano, kamusta ka?
Bala ko pa naman mag-yate tapos ganito.
Yung actually sa birthday niya yan.
So, nagkagano sa birthday ko, nakahiga lang ako sa yate.
At ito yung pinaka-list na pinipera. Ano ba yan, Nanita?
So, we are on our way to our hotel. Guys, sila po sa
Okay.
vlog takeover kasi nahihilo pa po yung may-ari ng video. So, ayun. We opted to ride the bicycle going there. And in a few minutes, we'll see more of that.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna go head up to the beach for some photo shoot for the sunrise and then we'll do Dubai. Hi everyone! So it's officially day 1 here in Boracay. I think dumating kami sa hotel mga 3:30 dumating kami sa hotel, so we just freshen up, change outfit. Now we're going to D-Mall, I guess, and sa beach because we're gonna take pictures and we're gonna wait for the sunset for us to have. Oh my gosh, somebody is running here. Somebody is running. Someone is running. Dapat talaga magdadala ako ng pang-run ko because I wanna run here, pero natakot ako dun sa baggage allowance ko. But anyways, we're gonna eat at Spice Bird for our dinner. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Doon na tayo. Oh my God. This is the first reaction of a first timer here in Boracay. Wow! Wow, wow, wow. Ready? This is the beach. I've never been to like a beach before. So literally, this is my first time. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh my God, ang ganda. Ang ganda. So we're just here at the beach. And we're just gonna chill. We're gonna wait for the perfect sunset. Our first sunset here in Boracay. here all the photos probably before this video. So ang ginawa lang talaga namin, nag-photos, nag-videos, etc. because we really want to have that sunset picture here in Boracay. But now we're going to Spicebird for our dinner. Kamusta? Ang experience?
So far, so good.
Actually, yeah. Sobrang akala namin hindi namin ma-achieve yung inspiration na gusto na photo inspiration na gusto ni Ninita. Pero, abangan nyo na lang sa mga
abangan nyo sa IG namin. Salad pa lang din ka na.
It's good.
Waiting for our Halo Mango. It kind of tastes like artificial mango, so I'll give this like a 6. It tastes artificial, although I'm not sure though. 7, 6, 5, 7. Na-press ko. Oh my god, the eye bags. Anyway, huwag naman ang pansinin. I'm done with my breakfast, pero si Ted mag-breakfast siya. I'm gonna go for a swim. This is the pool area. We're gonna swim for a little bit. This is our bikini of the day. Bikini for today. Bikini OOTD. Anyway, hindi na ako nag-room tour. Pero yan na yun. So, 2 beds. Pero dalawa kami dito ni Ted. Si Endon. And then, yeah, may TV. Ito, huwag nyo nang pansinin yan. And then, like a space area with a mirror. And then yung CR, itaw pa kasi sa loob. And then, yung pwede nyong hangera ng mga damit. Alright, everybody, day 2. We're now going to D-Mall again via Tesla. Sino po? D-Mall po. Sa D-Mall po, kuya.
Meron na po kayong water.
Naambon na naman, guys. Pagdating din namin dito yesterday, umaambon. So, umaambon na naman today. Uulan na. We're here at Two Seasons, so we're gonna grab our lunch here. We're gonna have our lunch here, and look at the view. It's by the beach. Grabe, ang ganda. Also, medyo umulan ng slight, pero ngayon medyo umaraw naman ng konti. White yung sand, and then the color of the ocean, like ombre of the blue. Grabe, ang ganda. Wala nga lang araw, so medyo parang makulimlim, but guys, wow, now I get it why people go back here in Boracay. Hindi ko alam bakit na-cut, pero sobrang ganda ng Boracay. In like, oh my gosh. Ganda! Grabe! Ang sarap niyang titigan. Okay, we're gonna go back. It's actually drizzling already. Okay. Chicken.
Sure.
Good. How about the oyster?
Hindi ako nakain ng seafood, but okay na.
Actually, yes, the oyster is good. First time kong kumain ng oyster. Sarap.
What's your top choice for Two Seasons?
This one, the beef stroganoff na pasta. Actually, almost like then this one. Third is the oysters. And then this is the last na naman.
How about you? What's your top?
Me, my top choice would be the pizza, then next pasta, then oyster, then calamari.
You then? Top? Pasta?
Last na yung oyster. Last na yung oyster. white sand. Yun talaga pala yung sinasabi nila.
Pero
na
mas white pa yung pag
ang ganda ng white sand. Plus, grabe yung tubig talaga. Change, ano tayo? Top. Ganda! Grabe! Way better than yesterday. Sorry, Hilo. And
na-exploit ako dito sa
I think, since mamangga ako, gusto ko yung mango mama. Pero yung black rice din siya. Oo, yun nga. Both of it.
I like the variety, like the mango, the pandan, the coconut. It's okay for me. I would give it 7 out of 10.
That's a low. That's low for this one. I give this 8. Mango mama is nice.
Then, you know what? Out of all we tried, the best pa din yung bingsun chip. Nakina kasi pinaparitig ka dyan ng dalawang ko. Kaya pa din na natural.
Ba't mo kami sinusumbong? Kaya, bakit ka nagsabi ng totoo? Ika. Sine. Tingin ka.
Ako, Yan mo yan.
Time. I forgot to vlog anymore, but I met a friend here in Boracay, and then silang dalawa, they just stayed at the beach for a while, and then we went back to our hotel. They went swimming in the pool, and ako naman bumalik rin. Nag-swim rin kami ng slide, and then we're now here at Maya's, right?
Yeah.
Maya's is a Filipino-Mexican restaurant here in Boracay. It's just at Station 1 and it's by the beach. Actually, andun ayan yung beach lang. Gabi lang sa inyo makita. We're gonna have our dinner here. Sakto lang pala. It's here is our food already. So, we're gonna eat. Medyo malaki pala yung tapos. This is how you do it, guys.
Wait. Diba kaya sinabi ko may mas masarap ito pa rin bonchon ng ano? Hindi na mo ito.
Ito na. Hindi na boncho.
Mamser. Ito lang. Video pa.
Okay,
yung ano.
please,
Pwede bang paano? Our new revamped packaging chill with 5% alcohol volume, fat-free food, and zero artificial sweetener. So,
Hello, wait lang. Test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's our last breakfast. May kasama na ako, guys. Kahapon wala.
Yes po, good morning.
no.
Ano mo? Oh, sino ang buti isa? Yung taon naman si Dutch.
And how about you?
Kasi namin niya talaga sa video. Oh, it's our last day. Actually, between yung last day, parang...
Pwede pang Sunnyside Cafe and...
Yeah, we didn't try so many food options.
Like we did our best na makabili ng calamansi muffins and...
This one. Sa loob.
How was it, the calamansi muffins?
Yung una, medyo naramdaman ko yung asin.
Siyempre kasi calamansi
Kaya
muffins.
nga. Pero kasi hindi kasi ako sanay sa muffins na maasin.
How about you, Nani?
I like it. I think sabi ko more than anyone, sabi ko ako yung pinaka-may gusto kasi maasin siya. Going home! Ito na naman, boat na.
Riding a boat.
Pero mas okay ngayon kasi hindi magalaw. Kaysa nung papunta, sobrang galaw.